Hi everyone, let's talk about Bakkt Holdings, why everyone is talking about it. So the key points is here, the stock soars 50% intraday following the mega rally took place earlier this week, so they made a huge deal. The share was elevated by 180% just in a few. Actually, if we look at here, so 5 days, 5-day return is 208%. This is, by the way, since even more, 1 month return 322%. And there was the company announced two separate partnership with the Fishers and the MasterCard on the same day. The new partnership are expected to increase the cryptocurrency access to the customers. That is just amazing thing. Since then, stock traded in the range of 20 to 32 until it broke out of the channel. So if we look at this one, so it was trending there and then it broke up from the channel. So this is actually very good news. And does it have really potential to be more costing more with more returns? That for the fundamentals will help. This is already market cap as a 6.6 billion. Revenue grew already by 138% over the past year. The shares are highly illiquid here, but I guess if we open the Finviz, the volumes are between 200 million and 20 million. So they are pretty liquid, so this is not on the risk side. And unfortunately, they have less than 3 years of financial data available. With the returns that they're having, so they went public back in November last year. Since that, the stock is making 342%. So that is meaning that it beats the industry that they're working in and also the US market. About the company, founded 2018, employees 568, and here's the fundamental summary. Market cap 6.59 billion, revenue 32 million, earnings minus 108. So be careful, they have a little bit too big, I guess, the market cap compared to their revenue and earnings. And by the way, this is unprofitable. The valuation side and future growth, we see that they don't have any price targets on any sides. That is not so good, but anyway, future growth for the industry that they're working in, 17%. Past performance, last year's earning growth decreased by 92%. That is meaning from 32 million on the earnings to the minus 108 million. And by the way, the dynamics show that this is decreasing all the time. I'm not sure if there's some of the investings going on or the research and so on, the product development. Yeah, as I said, the company is unprofitable. Financial health side, which is pretty impressive. They have the debt free and they do have a cash, by the way, 50 million, 328 million of the equity. That's pretty strong. That for the balance sheet looks green. They're not paying dividends, and insider transactions is more important. Yeah, there. By the way, it's not showing, but we see here that there's a 7.3 million valuated stock shares brought by one company, and there's also the selling side. 50k was sold by one company, so mostly insiders are buying this one. Ownership breakdown: general public 51%, institutions 23%, VC peer firms 10%, hedge funds 7%, insiders also 7%. Top shareholders we see here, actually we don't see here any of the Vanguard or BlackRock, for example. But anyway, the Finviz shows that this is trending upside, so but there it has just huge potential to drop to the same channel. So this is actually not any advice, any financial advice, but just to warn you that this might be going down and going down for real. So be careful. And Simple Safe dividend shows that shares outstanding keep increasing, and also the total sales are increased as well. So that might be good for the company. Investing.com, summing the stock for long-term investors as a strong buy, technical indicators as a buy. This is not a financial advice. The comments say get trapped twice, and yeah, there's a average. Look in the new GMA, GameStop, a 50. I bought at 32, another lesson, so I learned, don't catch the rocket, you will burn your fingers. Here's your rocket again, so now hold. Yeah, so there's ones that have been buying, I guess here, yeah. So those who buy here, they had actually minus 50 within a day. And since that, they are up to 100. So this is the volatility you get once you get in this kind of companies. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in a future one.